Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Salesforce GDPR consent tracking step by step clearly. To configure Salesforce GDPR consent tracking, start by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Setup menu by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. In the Quick Find box, type Object Manager and select it from the results. Once in Object Manager, locate and click on the Contact object. Select Fields and Relationships from the left sidebar. Click the New button to create a new field. Choose Checkbox as the field type and click Next. Name the field GDPR Consent and provide a description if desired. Set the field level security to be visible for the appropriate profiles. Click Next and then Save to create the field. Now, return to the Object Manager and select the lead object. Repeat the process to create a GDPR consent checkbox field for leads. Next, go back to Setup and type Process Builder in the Quick Find box. Click on Process Builder and then click New to create a new process. Name your process GDPR consent tracking and set it to start when a record changes. Select the contact object and specify. Add an action to update the record and make sure to include the GDPR consent field. Set another action to send an email notification if consent is revoked. Click Save and activate the process to ensure it functions. Now, navigate to the App Launcher and find the Reports section. Create a new report to track GDPR consent records. Select the contacts with GDPR consent report type and configure your columns. Add filters to include only those with specific consent statuses. Save and run the report to see the tracking in action. Lastly, ensure that you regularly review consent records to comply with GDPR requirements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.